Hi there YouTube and welcome back to another market insight video yet FX Millionaire. If you're new to my YouTube channel guys, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button right now so you guys can be updated once I'm producing or uploading any of these videos. So on today's video guys, we're just gonna do a market insight on the volatility 25 market. As you guys notice, I only trade this market for a couple of months right now, and I'm really profitable on this market. So what we could have seen, basically what is happening now on the volatility 25 guys, is that price is now basically starting to create lower highs and lower lows. As you guys can see, price is basically declining and creating lower highs and lower lows. So what we must do as traders right now guys is to trade price with the trend, because why, our trend is currently heading all the way to the downside. So what we must do right now guys is to trade price also to the downside. But what you can also do is that wait for price to come to our previous area of resistance, like example this area right here. Right, as you guys can see, we have previously price come into this region. So that is basically what I'm gonna wait for price to come into this region right here, and then we're gonna trade price to the downside. So how will you call this trading opportunity? So the best thing, and you guys notice by now, is to wait for price to create a pattern. As you guys could see, we have this double top pattern right here from last night, and price did rapidly continue here to the downside. So this is basically the most common patterns that we're gonna wait for once price come into this liquidity and this volatility zone. Then we can trade price to the downside. And one thing that we must also keep in count is that we have this trend line right here. This is our intraday trend line. If price decided to break above this intraday trend line guys, we can most likely expect price to continue to the upside. But as long as price remain under this trend line guys, we can still expect price to continue to the downside. This is going to be our most advanced target reason right here at 1787.3839. That is the reason that I most likely will wait for guys. But as you guys can see right now on my 5 minute, price is basically now rapidly running to the upside, coming to our reason here at 1814.409. That is basically the reason that I'm most likely gonna wait for right now guys, for price to get to, and then I'm gonna wait for my trading pattern right here, either had a shoulders or a double top formation right here. And I did also send out this signal this morning to my signal group. As you guys could see right here, I did send out this beautiful buys. We caught it from this reason right here. Let me just turn on my trade history so you guys can understand. Right, as you guys can see, we did call buys right here, and as you guys can see there, price basically run to the upside. So let me just show you guys right now how it's basically going into my signal group. We are basically a small community, but we've been hitting targets every single day. This is a trade that I was sending out this morning to my signal group. As you guys can see, I did call this buys here at 1800. As you guys can see, from 1800, right? Oh, let me just, from 1800 I did call this buys, so you guys can see, and you guys can see how did this trade basically perform. That is how I'm calling this signals out to my VIP VIX money mentorship guys. And I always send out two trading opportunities for all of my traders. I also send breakdowns here on a daily basis for my students, right? So they can know exactly why did I call this trading opportunities. You guys can see right there, there we are basically now in a winning streak guys. We didn't actually lose any trade once we're starting to launch this VIP. As you guys can just see the results, right, from all of my students that is in this VIP group guys. So if you want to sign up guys, the link will be in the description so you guys can join the VIX Money Billionaire team. So it's basically plain and simple guys. I'm here to help and add value to you guys. That is why I'm focusing so much now on my mentorship and my students in my VIP group. So I don't have a lot of time to post a lot of YouTube videos anymore, because right guys, if I can help a lot of people that is so small. My community is still small, but if I can add value to lots of people right there, I don't see why not, guys. So if you want to sign up, guys, the link will be in description, and I can tell you guys, you will be amazed with the win ratio and how we trade on a daily basis, guys. So I had sent you at least two signals on a daily basis. So the first signal will be out, and once I see another great setup, guys, you guys can execute in that trading opportunity as well. So this is it for this video. This is your boy FXGK Millionaire, and I'm signing off.